Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So now in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's the launch of Getting Back on Track, Fit for Life. Now this is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, creating with Kris Hunter, and Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle. Now I'm going to be linking all of the hosts down below in the description box along with our channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist, guys, because you don't want to miss it. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. So in this video, I was just coming in from church and I needed to have something quick. So we're going to be making some low carb, healthy keto wraps. So what I normally use is the tortilla wraps, and I always make sure it's the Mission's low carb. Now we are using some bacon, so that I was cooking in the air fryer. I have a second batch in there because my son's going to be eating his food. And let me go run over to the fridge so I can pick up some other stuff that I'm going to be using to put in this wrap. Okay, so I normally get the shredded cabbage in the bag, the coleslaw. But today I really wasn't liking how that was looking, so I just grabbed the shredded cabbage in the red. Then I went over to the fridge and got my G. Hughes dressing in the sweet. And then I also got some shredded cheese. And that's what we're going to be using along with the bacon. And this is going to come out absolutely delicious. Stay tuned till later so you could see what I decided to top this off with. Now there was really nothing here that I use for cooking. It's just a matter of putting these things together and you can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music and then I'll see you at the end when we start topping this off. Now what I did want to say is making little healthy switches here and there can really make dramatic changes. If you are a person that always goes out and everything is fast food and you cut that down and start eating at home, you're going to see a major change just doing that. Now, what I also wanted to say, share this with all of your friends and your family. And if you have anything that you want to share with us when it comes to a recipe or even an exercise idea, whether small, medium, or big, we would really appreciate it. I would like this to be a support system where we can all gather together and get back on track, guys. And yes, this is my sweet youngest son. So now after putting everything together, so we have the wraps, we have some cheese, we have some shredded cabbage, and then we have some bacon. Then we have the dressing again. But then I said, wouldn't it be nice if we can just chop up some pecans and place that on top? And this gave it such a special touch. I absolutely love it. This was light. It wasn't heavy, but it was filling. And I absolutely just love, love, love having these wraps. It looks absolutely delicious, guys. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.